Today, we will overview how the civil justice system works compared to the criminal justice system. Both systems play an important role in ensuring justice and accountability in our society, but they operate in different ways and serve different purposes. The criminal justice system is focused on punishing people for violating the law, typically by imposing fines, imprisonment, or other penalties. It is the government's responsibility to prosecute cases in criminal court, and the burden of proof is on the prosecution to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. In contrast, the civil justice system is designed to provide redress to individuals who have been harmed by another person or entity. The victim has the burden of proof to show that the other party was responsible for the harm that was done. One of the key differences between the two systems is the standard of proof required to find someone responsible. In criminal cases, the burden of proof is very high, requiring proof beyond a reasonable doubt. In civil cases, the burden of proof is lower, typically requiring a preponderance of the evidence, meaning that it is more likely than not that the other party was responsible. Another key difference between the two systems is the remedies that are available. In criminal cases, the focus is on punishment, which can include fines, imprisonment, or other penalties. In civil cases, the focus is on providing compensation to the victim, such as medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. The civil justice system can be particularly important in cases where unarmed Black people are killed by police officers. When a case like this goes to court, the civil justice system provides a path for justice and accountability. The family of the victim can file a civil lawsuit against the police department or the individual officer involved. The legal process can be complex and involve multiple steps, such as pretrial discovery, motion practice, and a trial. During the legal process, the parties involved will have the opportunity to present evidence, cross-examine witnesses, and argue their case in front of a judge or a jury. The judge or jury will then make a decision on who is at fault and what compensation is owed. If the victim's family wins their case, they will be awarded compensation for the harm that has been done to them. This compensation can include things like funeral expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Moreover, when a civil lawsuit is filed and receives media attention, it can raise public awareness and scrutiny on the issue of police brutality and racism, which can potentially lead to legislative change and reforms in the criminal justice system. Overall, the civil justice system is a crucial component of our legal system that provides people with the opportunity to seek justice and compensation for harm that has been done to them. It can be an effective way to hold individuals and entities accountable for their actions, and it can also be a powerful tool for fighting against the killings of unarmed Black people and driving legislative change. Like, follow, comment, and share to stay updated on our journey to drive legislative change to better protect the diaspora from unarmed killings. Remember, the revolution is financial,